Welcome back. Instead, let's talk about Camp Nou. The stadium's transformation is one of the most ambitious projects in football history. But how far along are we? Stick around, and I'll take you step by step through the latest updates, progress, and plans for 25. Right now, Barcelona is glowing under a stunning sunset, and the iconic Camp Nou is a hive of activity. This isn't just about football anymore. It's about redefining the way fans experience the game. The view from above shows a mix of progress and potential. Pillars stand tall, ready for concrete, while scaffolding and materials cover every corner. From the main stands to the corners, it's clear that every inch of this stadium is being meticulously worked on. One of the most noticeable updates? Reinforcement mesh surrounds many areas, paired with wooden formwork panels. This signals that concrete pouring is imminent. Workers are busy setting up hoses and yellow piping, tools that ensure every pour is precise. The construction teams are meticulous. They're leaving small gaps in the pillars, as explained by one of the architects. These gaps allow them to layer concrete gradually, ensuring strength and stability for upper levels. Inside the stadium, the focus has shifted to preserving what's already in place. Blue tarps now cover sections of seating, protecting them from paint and dust. Meanwhile, bids filled with new seats are arriving on site. These will soon replace older models, aligning with the stadium's fresh, modern look. In some areas, the first coats of paint have already been applied, showing the vibrant future fans can expect. The southern corner is buzzing with workers. Prefabricated concrete panels are stacked and ready for installation, while railings are being added to staircases. But progress here hasn't been as fast as in other sections. Formwork removal is still ongoing, and new reinforcement is being prepared. By January's end, this corner is expected to see major milestones. Construction isn't just about building, it's about moving. And at Camp Nou, logistics are key. Prefabricated concrete slabs and steel reinforcement bars are being transported daily. The teams have installed a temporary rail system to streamline material movement across the vast site. This innovation is cutting down time and ensuring the project stays on schedule. Back inside, it's not just about infrastructure, it's about aesthetics. The plastering of walls is nearing completion, and focus has shifted to painting. Fans will be thrilled to see how the colors pop against the revamped seating areas. Special care is being taken to ensure every surface aligns with the stadium's updated design, blending functionality with beauty. Overhead, the framework for the new roof is beginning to take shape. Steel beams are being hoisted into place, creating the skeleton for what will become one of the most advanced stadium roofs in Europe. This roof isn't just about aesthetics. It will also house state-of-the-art solar panels, helping the stadium move toward a greener future. Let's circle back to the northern corner, where progress is stunning. The elevated levels are nearly complete, with teams focusing on the final layers of reinforcement. Platforms and scaffolding are being removed, revealing clean, precise concrete work. It's a visual reminder of how quickly things are moving. As we kick off 25, the construction schedule is packed. The next few weeks will see an explosion of activity. More concrete pouring, reinforcement work, and installation of the first roof panels. This isn't just a rebuild, it's a race against time to redefine one of football's most iconic venues. As the sun sets completely and the stadium is lit by construction floodlights, the scale of this project becomes even more apparent. Every worker, every crane, and every piece of machinery is part of something historic. Camp Nou is evolving daily, and the pace of progress is breathtaking. By 25's end, this will be a stadium unlike any other. Subscribe for the next update. You don't want to miss it.